Today is Tuesday, July 26th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado front retractable headlamp cover and the original T3 headlights. Today I'm going to be doing a functional validation test for my friend Bob in Ohio, and he's going to be needing one of the inner position mounting headlamps. And these are original vintage light bulbs or headlamps as designated by the T3 designation, with the icon having the ribbing. Okay, this is the last year for the ribbed icon triangle, which designates the T3 original vintage headlight. I'm trying to position the camera so the T3 can be shown along with the ribbing within the triangular icon. Okay, the headlights have a number 1 designation and a number 2 designation for the outer. So number 1 designation for the inner mount, number 2 designation for the outer mount. And we know this is the left-hand driver's side unit because we have the post here in this cutout assembly for the 1967 retractable headlamps from a 1967 donor vehicle. And the trunk support post is always on the outside near the fender. So this is the left-hand driver's side unit, as further being evident by the fact that we have the swing mechanism here that actuates the doors, whereby the coffee can sized actuating activator is mounted with the draw post that causes the swing mechanism to open and close. So we know for certain this is a left-hand driver's side retractable headlamp assembly. Okay, and in all of the General Motors configurations, we have the outer mount and the inner mount when we have dual headlights, with the outer mount being designated by a 2 and the inner mount being designated by a 1, the difference being one's just high beam and the other is high beam and low beam. So I've got the units connected to power. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test and apply electrical current. And there's our beautiful original 1967 headlamp inner mount number 1 for my friend Bob in Ohio. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, and over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my 75,000 E1 Eldorado components, but more specifically the restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels from 1969 to 1978 with the wood grain inlay, and 1967 and 1968 with the silver argent inlay around the outer perimeter and the 682 grip lines. I also provide show quality restoration of the steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical components such as the instrument cluster. Today is Saturday, July 26th. Thank you very kindly.